Tell me your name and the name of your installation and your inspiration and the concept of the installation.
My name is Edmond Basia, called Edmond. The name of this installation works like a studio. It's called The Search. It's a very personal one. I doing this as of now. It's because I was kind of feeling that since I became, I've decided to become an artist 4 years ago, 5 years ago. I have dealt with mostly the subjects I'm doing is about children and women, and then I have come to the point that there's something within me that I need to express, not basically to show it, but then we have this exhibition, and I've decided, okay, I'll go on and show it. Probably, it's because it's a very personal one. Maybe it would be misunderstood or something. It's very risky for me, but then, yeah, you have to just show it. So my works, it's part of, my realization as a human being and as an artist that it's about myself. That's one. It's about the human beings may struggle for some kind of love, and the other one is about a struggle for something, for justice in this world. And this empty canvas here is, the project, this installation, part of that is I'm working here. It's a work in progress about my portrait as an artist, so it's not yet done, it's not yet started. The other one is it's called the Lotus Flower, and this one I call this Divine Retribution. So the inspiration came to me like I've been doing kind of cultural work, working for children, giving workshops since 2004, and I've been very close to children doing like that, and I've seen the works, they're very honest with the works, they reveal themselves, something like that. So I decided, okay, it's like I'm a child too, so I have to reveal myself so that, I won't hold back. So for me, by revealing myself through my work, I would be free from inhibition so that I could deal with more sometimes. Later on as an artist, no inhibition, I could express myself.